Hello and welcome to Greeting Star. I'm so glad you could join me today. Here's a look at the cards we'll be making today. These are some fun cards that you'll get to do. You just put a little score on the front cover. It's an A2 sized card, which is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I'm just going to score it in the middle of the front panel, and so that would be 2 1/8 at 2 1/8 inches. And you can see here that this is a scoring blade. This is a Fiskars SureCut paper trimmer. It's the deluxe one, so you can cut 12 by 12 paper. So it's a larger sized trimmer. And this blade here is awesome. I love it because then I don't have to have a trimmer and a scoring board on my desk. So all I need is that one. That's awesome. So you can see here how this will work, and then I'm just going to cut some paper to put on those two panels. And this is the Fall Market collection by Carta Bella, and I'm using the 6 by 6 paper pad to do this. And so I'm just going to use this now to trim my paper. So I'm going to remove that scoring blade. It's not sharp at all, so don't have to worry about that. But then this orange one is very sharp, so you want to be careful with that. It's a cutting blade. So I'm going to trim this paper up, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on some music and let you watch and have some fun. And I'll be back in a little while. Thanks so much. for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these cards, and I do hope you'll give them a try yourself. So have a beautiful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and again, thanks for joining me.